In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a client portal in ClickUp. We'll walk through this step by step, starting from a simple list view and ending with a fully structured client portal that you can customize for your own workflows. First, make sure you're in ClickUp and navigate to your list view inside the space or folder where you want this portal to live. The list view gives you a clear, organized layout and is a great starting point for building out client-facing processes. Next, look over to your left-hand sidebar and find your team space. Right next to the team space name, you'll see a small plus icon. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. This is the shortcut for adding new items and is where we'll pull in the template that forms the foundation of your client portal. After you click the plus, a menu will appear. From this menu, choose the templates option. Templates are powerful in ClickUp because they let you skip a lot of manual setup and jump straight into a pre-built structure. In the template window, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type in client success. This will filter the available templates and bring up the one we want to use. When you see the client success template appear in the results, click on it to open its details. Here you can quickly review what's included, but for now, we'll move ahead and actually use it. Click on the Use Template button. ClickUp will then prompt you to name the folder that will be created from this template. In the folder name field, type something descriptive like Client Portal or a similar name that makes sense for your workspace so your team can easily find it later. Once you've named it, click Use Template again to confirm. Now, give ClickUp a little time to do the heavy lifting. It may take a few dozen seconds for the new folder and all its views to finish rendering, especially if your workspace is busy. When it's done, you'll see your new Client Portal folder show up in the left-hand sidebar. Click on Client Portal to open it. Inside, you'll notice multiple views already set up that you can customize however you like. One of the first views you'll see is called Engagement. Click on Engagement. This is designed for tracking customer engagement, such as interactions, activities, or touchpoints. You can keep the structure as is, or rename and adjust it if your engagement tracking looks different. Next, click on the Renewal view. This area is set up to help you track retainers, contract renewals, or ongoing agreements. It's useful for staying on top of upcoming renewals and making sure no client slips through the cracks. Then, click on the NPS score view. This view is focused on customer satisfaction, where you can log and analyze Net Promoter Scores or similar feedback metrics. It's a helpful place to see at a glance how happy your clients are over time. You'll also see a view called Client Success Playbook. Click on that. This is where you can store your key client documents, processes, and reference materials. Think onboarding checklists, communication guidelines, or service outlines. Having everything in one place makes it easier for both your team and your clients. Finally, look for the option labeled One More in the Views bar and click on it. When you open this, you'll see another view called Feedback Form, along with an option to add an additional view if you want to expand your portal even further. The feedback form is a great spot to consolidate input from clients, and the extra view option lets you tailor the portal to your specific needs. And that's it. By following these steps, you've created a structured client portal in ClickUp using the client success template, and you're ready to start customizing it for your clients.